Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your speaker Creative Muvo Play. So to perform a hard reset, you should press and hold play pause button for at least 8 seconds until you can see that voice prompt tell you master reset.
Pairing mode. Waiting for device to connect. Master reset completed. Returning to pairing mode.
And as you can hear, now press information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and now click on your speaker at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!